Namaste. Hamesha khush raho bitiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am teaching you managing production and organizing production in portfolio of entrepreneurship in food and biotechnology discipline. First of all, what is production management? Production management is defined as planning, implementation, and control of industrial production process to ensure smooth and efficient operation. Production management techniques are used in both manufacturing and service industries. Simply, production management is a process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the activities of the production function. There is a difference between production management and operation management. Production management is concerned with manufacturing, whereas operation management is concerned with the service. Production management output is tangible, operation management output is intangible. For production management, job use less labor and more equipment, whereas operation management use more labor and less equipment. And there is no customer satisfaction in production management, whereas in operation management, there is a frequent customer participation. Then what is marketing? Marketing is an organizational function and set of processes for creating, communicating, and delivering value to the customers. It is managing customer relationship in ways that benefit the organization and its stockholders. A product is a good, service, or idea. What does the term marketing mean? Marketing mean must be understood not in the old sense of making a sale, but in the new sense of satisfying customer needs. What are the needs, wants, and demands? The most basic concept underlying marketing is that human needs. A human need is a state of felt deprivation. Humans have many complex needs. These include basic physical needs, for example, food, clothing, warmth, and safety, social needs for belonging and affections, and individual needs for knowledge and self expression. Then products and services. People satisfy their needs and wants with products. A product is anything that can be offered to a market to satisfy a need or want. Usually, the word product suggests a physical object such as a car, a television set, or a bar of shop. Soap. However, the concept of product is not limited to physical objects. Anything capable of satisfying a need can be called a product and services. Then value, satisfaction, and quality. Consumers usually face a broad array of products and services that might satisfy a given need. How do they choose among these many products? Consumers make buying choices based on their perceptions of the value that various products and senders deliver. Then this is the chart which is showing the relationship between the industry and the market. Industry where which is a collection of sellers and market is a collection of buyers in which there is a communication. If there is a proper communication and there is a two flow of products and services and money and information, then the industry will get better business. Then defining application control. Application control is the control that pertain to scope of individual business processes or application system. And this application controls objectives are input data, accurate, complete, authorized, and correct. Data processed as intended in an acceptable time period. Data stored that is accurate and complete. Outputs are the accurate and complete. A record maintained to track the process of data from input storage and to eventual output. Then types of application control. First is input control that check the integrity of data entered into a business. and application to ensure that is remains within specified parameters. Then processing control, provide an automated means to ensure processing is complete, accurate and authorized. Then output controls address what is done with the data and should compare output results with the intended result by checking the output against the input. Then integrated gritty controls monitor data being processed and in storage to ensure it remains consistent and correct. Then management trail as an audit trail enables management to identify the trans and event recorded by tracking trans forward or backward, monitor effectiveness of other control and identify errors. In input control, it controls data as it manually or electronically enters the system. Manual IC require authorization both before the input and after a review. Use of concise pre-numbered forms and trained from data entry personnel. Electronic IC include user-friendly screen formats that prompt user for required information and use of required fields. A field check, a check to see if information in an entry field is complete. Then drop-down menus allow specific preset input, for example, list of provinces. Then to protect sensitive information, keystroke verification requires data to be entered twice by different person if possible and highlights any differences. Then batch control, accumulate transaction and apply test on the batch. For example, batch total, then format check. Data is entered in a acceptable formats, that is data format. Then reconciliation and balancing. Reconciliation analyzes variances or test two balances to see if they are equal. Then added check, automated test on data fields include control totals, hash total, sum of non-financial number that have no meaning. A change in hash total indicates a record change. Then range test, allow entry between the range of the numbers or the characters. Numerical test is prevent alphabetic entry in the number fields. Sequence check, check for alphanumeric sequence in a field. Limit check, entries have particular number, are prevented or need approval. Then check digit, an extra digit is added that has an algorithmic relationship to the remaining digit to show if the numbers was incorrectly entered by the transposition. For example, credit card. Record count tallies the number of records. Historical comparison measures variance from past records, and overflow checking places a memory or length limit on a field to prevent larger numbers than maximum being entered. Inquiry log track all read-only access to records. Then automated inputs. Automation reduces errors and increase into input speeds. Include optical character recognition, that is OCR, that convert a scanned image into graphic data, then store, retrieve, and process graphic data. For example, scan shipping receipt into a database. Then scanners, a device that digitizes graphic images. Then radio frequency identification, RFID. Use tag in packaging. RFID read tag via radio frequency and identify where the product is. Useful in tracking inventory. Barcodes, a machine readable representation of data allowing for rapid reading and processing of associated data. Then magnetic ink character recognition, that is MICR, included on the check bank transaction and indicate check number, account number, routing number, and possibly check amount. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.